Sir, recording.
Yeah. Okay. So see here. So yesterday we have done the last topic, which is a count, correct? So now today I'm going to start, which is like. What do you mean by like exactly? See, the like in the sense, if you want to find from the A characters or B characters from starting A and ending with and ending with, and if you want to start, if you want to search from the A character from the starting, and if you want to search from the which is the end with A, and which is the characters it start from A and it's end from A. Further, if you want to search like the characters, then we should have to go through with like. Clear, everyone? Like, guys, static wide like. Everyone got it right?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay. So this is how I can able to write the method name, and here inside the method I'm going to write the logic of the like how we can able to write the like logic. See guys, whatever I am showing, right, these are all the simple logic things. Like in the real time, you can't able to get like this simple. Okay, in the existing only you should have to work on it. Like in the existing one, you can see around thousands lines of code and 1500 lines of code. In that, you need to add. I mean, you need to adjust. You need to do a. I mean, you need to fix the code in the middle of the. I mean, in the existing of the code itself. So understand the logic very carefully and make sure in the real time you should have to crack the scenario whatever they are giving. Okay. So see here, I know, and one more thing, we can take from the, I mean, we can take the help from the chat GPT as well, but we can't able to pull whole code. We can't able to give whole code from the chat GPT because if you took the code from the chat GPT, right, then what it will does, it will break the functionality. It will break the existing functionality. So don't go with the chat GPT. You should have to go through. You should have to go to with your own only. Okay. In the front end, in the sense, in the front end for the HTML from the JavaScript, you can take help from ChatGPT. But the controller, which is the Apex, which is a trigger, you don't go with the ChatGPT, guys. It's a very harmful in the existing projects. Clear, everyone? List, accounts, list. Okay, these are all the simple codes. Just for the understanding purpose. It's a basic only. Okay. Select ID, name, industry, industry from account. Okay, here I'm inserting here. So what I want here exactly, I want to search in industry. In the account object, you can able to see a record here, which is the industry. In the if you go to the details, you can able to see the industry. In the industry, which is the start, which is the start from A letter. I want to pull that only. See, I'm seeing here agriculture and apparel. I want to pull out these two records. Okay. So see here, so where industry like okay industry like so you can able to find out like this okay and I want to find A%. You should have to put like this stuff letter A and after that percentage. When what it should mean, it will give the data which is the A letter it will start. Okay, A letter it will start. Now system.debug show me result. Show me result. Save this. If I save this one right, you can able to see the print of value. And one more thing, whatever I'm teaching, right? Don't follow this as it is the same, guys. You should have to follow. You should have to do with your own. See, so in the admin concept and whatever the developer concept I have teach till now, that's a basic thing. It's enough. Now it's enough. Whatever I have teach, don't follow. From right now, don't follow my words and my logics. Now you should have to do with your own only. Then only you can able to survive. Then only you can able to understand every concept. Whenever you are getting doubt while you are doing, just let me know. I will help you out. So, saving still it's saving. See, in the real time also you can able to see the saving. Okay, means in the middle of the code it will be struck. In the middle of the code while you're saving, right? It will struck. So what you need to do exactly, you should have to do a like you have wrote to you have wrote 100 lines of code, and if you save right, then the saving it will be struck. So in this time, what you need to do, you need to copy whole code. You need to copy whole code. You know what you need to do? You need to refresh it. You need to refresh it. Okay. Uh, So what I will do, I will paste again. I will save it. I will save it. So now I will execute. I will execute this method and execute it. If you search the debug only, then you can able to see like this data, like wherever the records are there, right? This data you can able to see. If you want horizontally for loop accounts, ACC and ACCLI, I'm calling this collection variable in the for loop. Okay, then enter and save this one. And save this one. And after that, what you can do, you can execute again. So the data it will be show line by line. It's taking too much of time while I'm saving the record. Uh, okay, Control A, Control C, Control R. Save this. Unable to patch container. So sometimes you will get this kind of error. Mean what does that mean here? The last class, whatever we are saving, right? It's struck. Means it's saving that old record. So whenever I'm saying the same record, same class, right? So it will throw the error. So what I will do now, I should have to refresh until the error should be go. Again it's showing. So what I will do now, I will close this. I will log in again. Enter. Here the last class is it's still saving. we should have to wait, or else if, when we save, right, it will throw the error like this only again and again. The last class, whatever I have saved, right, that only it's still saving. It's not a Apex problem. It's a server problem. Until the last class should be safe, then only we can able to save this current class. Until we can't able to do, because when I save, right, it will throw the error like this only. See, unable to patch the container member. The containers member belongs to a container that currently has a unfinished save request with a deployment ID. Okay, you may not modify any members in the current until it's complete. Metadata container ID means whatever the last class it is there, right? We have saved and we have closed that one. Again, I'm saving, right? It's showing the error. Last class is it's still pending. It's saving until should be clear on the time only we can able to save the current Apex class. Okay, now it's saved. Now it's saved. So now what I will do now, I will log in. I will go and I will execute it. Okay, if I execute, right, then you can able to see the industry value. So these are all the things I'm getting, right. So like this, I'm getting the value, industry. Okay. So in this way, I can able to get the records. Sorry, I should have to pass this ID right here. Still showing the same. See here, still it's saving. Okay. Now it's safe. Execute it. Give debug only. So you can able to see the data, which is a apparel and agriculture, agriculture. You can't able to see the other, can't able to see other values in the industry. Why means I have used a like, and in that like I have used only the percent which is A. If I use B, if I use B in the sense, it will come the B values only. I will get the B value, which if I execute, right, which I execute, I can able to see the B value, which is a biotechnology and banking. Clear, everyone? Guys,
Yes.
now it's a in operator. Like yesterday, the Punit was told which we need to add the condition in the brackets. Add it as it the same in the in only. If I remove the in names, that's the in operator. Operator. Okay. So if I remove this one B, okay. So here, what you can able to do, where industry, where in. So you can able to you can able to file add like this only agriculture, okay, and banking. So like this, you can able to add the values. If you want one condition, you don't want to add in, you can able to add equal to. If you want multiple values, you can able to add in. In the sense, I'm adding in in this industry. I'm having these are all the values. You can able to give the value as it is. I'm asking with the help of the in operator. If I execute this one, execute debug only. So I can able to see only one value, which is the banking only. Okay, which I can able to see here. Banking value I can able to see here. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now, what is the next step? So what is the next step? And like and in, and after that, this is guys. These are all the basic things. Okay, these are the basic things. Now I'm going to show you the main concept, that is the parent to child. How we can able to pull the data from parent to child. Parent to child. Okay. So I will copy this one. I will copy this one, and here child. Okay. Parent to child. So here, how we can able to write SOQL from the parent to child exactly. So already parent to child in the sense I'm having two objects, which is the account and contact. And now in the contact, I'm the relationship it's already included, correct? In the contact, we can able to see the account data. I mean, what does it mean here? Contact is a child and account is a parent. So first of all, we should have to write a query for the parent of the child. This is a parent. This is a parent SOQL. Now, comma, you need to add here child. Select ID, last name from contacts. Okay, from contacts, from account. See here, guys, you need to add this for when you're writing a parent to child, right? Then in the child, okay, in the child, you should have to write from contact, not a contact. It's you should have to write a plural name. If you go and check in the object manager for the object as a contact, you can able to see the plural name. Okay, remember this one. This is a very important part. Contact. If you open the contact, right? If I open the contact, so details, you can able to see the plural name contacts. Okay, whenever you are declaring a parent to child SOQL, then in the child format, you should have to write a from contacts. This is a plural name, guys. Clear, everyone? Guys, Hemant, Daya, Punit.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I run this one, debug only, you can able to see the data, which is the parent to child data I'm getting. Parent to child data I'm getting. Now in this case, I want to add the child data as well. So here I'm getting the parent data. Here I'm getting the parent data. Now I want to add the child data as well. So let's say name. Okay. Means ACC in the sense in the collection variable, what I'm getting these are all the parent data I'm storing in the ACC LIST. Then I'm using a for loop to the line by line records. So in the for loop, I have added a collection variable. Then this data I'm storing in ACC variable. And now this ACC variable, I'm going to print ACC only. Okay. Now when I print the ACC, right, I'm getting the all fields. I'm getting a all ID, name, and industry. Okay, now I want only the name. So you can able to print the ACC dot name. If I save, right, already save. If I execute, right, you can able to see name data only. You can able to see name data only. Edge communication, like name data only you can able to see. Can't able to see apart from that. So like that, now I want to see name, parent account name, as well as I want to see child first name and last name also. So anybody can anybody tell how I can able to write? If I want to see the contact first name and last name as per the related record. Guys,
ACC dot last name.
ACC dot. Okay, just
Last
wait.
name.
If I
I
mention
don't.
ACC dot last name. Okay, if I mention the last name, if I save, right? Right. Sorry. If I save, then what's showing the error? Variable does not exist as a last name. It's wrong. So in the last name where it is where it is coming from, which object it is? Contact, correct?
Contacts.
So in ACC
Yes, sir.
LIST, I'm getting the two object data, which is a parent and child, correct? In the ACC.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
this ACC LIST, I'm storing the data in the ACC. Okay, now what you need to do? You need to go through with contacts. Contacts dot.
Okay.
If I use the contact dots, so what it will show? Okay, see here. A foreign key field cannot be referred in the path expression contacts. We can't able to do like this. It's totally wrong. It's showing to us. So in this case, what we need to do exactly? How we can able to pull only first name and last name. So in this, the Salesforce given another one option that is called as a this one. What do you say? Nested for loop. Nested for loop in the sense for loop under for loop. Contact. Okay. CON is a new variable. Now I want to call this means in the ACC variable, I'm getting these are all the data. Okay, I'm storing these are all the data in the ACC, correct? Now I'm calling ACC dot contacts. Contact. So see here, a contact CON is a new variable. Now I am passing this child data. This child data I'm passing in contact for loop for the contact for loop. If I call this one, so how I can call this one? It's simple. CON first name. Okay. And CON last name. Hope did you got everyone? Guys,
Yes, yes, sir.
yeah. If I execute this one, okay. Yes, object row was entered via SOQL without querying the request. Okay, okay. See here, this is a error. So read the error system dot s object expression. Like we got the expression error. Expression error for what? S object. Like what's showing the error? S object row was retrieved via SOQL without querying the request field. Contact at first name. Because we are pulling the data first name and last name without querying. We have used the last name, but we are not using the first name, correct? If I use the first name, if I save, right? If I execute this one, so now it will take to us. So whenever you while you practicing, if you got any kind of error means you should have to read the error very carefully. In that time only you can able to crack the 50% scenario, and after the 50% you can put the logic. Understand the error scenarios, focus on error scenarios. See, this is a edge communication, and which is the first name and this is the last name. For the understanding purpose, what I will do, show me
Sir,
result.
can you change the? Yes, sir.
First name, uh, see first name, last. What, Puneet? Hello, Puneet.
Yes, sir.
You're telling something?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. If I execute this one, debug only, so you can able to see the first name. This first name. This is last name. This is a name. Okay. Again. This is account name. Okay. Contact first name and contact last name. This is easy to understand. Debug only. Execute it. So you can able to see, right? It's a account name and it's a contact first name. It's a contact last name. Okay. And see here, I'm getting all details. Like edge communication, I'm having two. I'm having two childs. Let's go and check edge communication. Okay. So see here, I'm getting two records. So I'm also getting here two records. Clear, everyone? Guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is basic things and very important things only. And while you're practicing, right, don't follow me what I am explaining. Just follow with your scenarios. Then only you can able to achieve the targets. Now child to parent. Now child to parent. So what I will do, I will copy this or all those things. Okay, and enter it, paste it, child to parent. Okay. So now how we can able to retrieve the child to parent data? How we can able to retrieve the child to parent data exactly? So simple. So see here, uh, when I want to retrieve the data from the parent to child, then I should have to use list of account, and this is a account. Why I mention a account here? Because I'm pulling the data from parent to child. So that's why the account is a parent. Now I want to go through with the child to parent. Child in the sense what? Child is a contact, correct? List contact, contact equal to. Okay. So now how I can able to write a query for the child to parent? Simple. Select. Okay. Select. Then after that, what I need to do here? first name, last name. Okay. Now this is the first name and last name. It's coming from the child only, right? Now I want to put the parent. How I can able to put the parent here? Already in the contact I'm having a relationship with the account. Okay, account, correct? So I can mention here account dot ID, comma ID also you can put, or else name also. Account dot industry. So how we can able to identify exactly? So how we can we are putting here account. Okay, exactly account only. Why we can able to put, like, how you get to know account only? Uh, the child to parent SOQL. If I mention the here account dot name, then how it's possible to write a account only, not other than that. So in this scenario, you can go and check in the fields and relationship in the contact object in the account. Account is a lookup here. Account is a lookup. Okay. So go back industry from contact from contact. Save this one. Save this one. Okay. Enter it and copy and paste it. Simple. As it is. For loop, first name and last name. If you execute right, this child to parent. Oh, it's showing the error. Okay. Font list. Paste and execute it. Debug only. So you can able to see, right, first name and last name, first name and last name, first name and last name. This data you can able to see exactly. This data you can able to see exactly. So now, so this is how we can able to get the data, guys. Clear, everyone?
Sir,
Like
can we
you.
get account details
Yes, we
over
can.
there, sir?
If I execute right,
Can you show that?
you can able to see here account details as well here. First
Okay.
name, last name, account ID. This account ID you can able to get here.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So if I close this one, uh, con list. Wait. I should have to get
Industry.
contact, first and last name. This is account ID I'm getting. I want to get contact. First name. This is also I want to get. So account dot account dot name. If I write like this, okay. If I execute this one, debug only. Yes. So I will get like this. Clear, everyone? Guys,
Yes, yes, sir.
so I will
Can you see
make this
output
correct.
here once?
Sorry.
Can you show me the output once, sir?
Yeah, I will copy here. So just wait. Dot first name and this is a last name. Okay. So this is a name, this is a parent, and this is child's. If I execute, parent to child, debug only, you can able to see this is edge communications, parent, child. Edge communication is a parent, this is a child.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So this is a get data we can able to get. So now the next is aggregate. Very important. Aggregate in the sense, in the admin part we have done the this one, right? Roll up summary. In the roll up summary we're having a 4 topics, which is the sum, minimum, maximum, and count. Do you
Yes,
remember?
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Aggregate. That is called as an aggregate. In Apex also we're having aggregate function. So how we can able to do the aggregate exactly? So simple guys, aggregate in that either we can able to do a sum or maximum, minimum, like that we can able to do exactly. So in the like in the list, if I want to pull the data from the objects, so I should have to write a list method. In the list of I can be able to write the objects. But in the aggregate, we're having a different class. In the Apex also, we're having a separate class for the aggregate. So public static void aggregate function. Okay, aggregate function. So list now AGGREGAT aggregate result. So this is a class, guys. This is the object we are having in the this is a class we are having in the Apex. This is the object also class also. It's a standard it's a inbuilt class we are having in the Apex aggregate class. Results equal to, okay. Now select now I'm pulling the count from the account. Okay, industry count ID count ID. I want to count. I want to count IDs, guys, from account group by industry group by industry. So save this one. So this is a different. Okay. So this is a different. This is separate object we are having the Salesforce. Okay, for the aggregate purpose only. If you want to use a sum, if you want to use a count, if you want to use a uh, maximum, if you want to use a minimum, and if you want to use a different kind of activities, so you can be able to use a aggregate result. Aggregate result is a different object to us. Clear? Okay, now I'm using a for loop. Inside the for loop, I'm not using any kind of account because in the aggregate, what I'm doing, I'm pulling the data from the account object. So you should have to use the aggregate result in the for loop itself. Okay. After that, what you can do? AR in the AR you can put, or else you can put anything. It's a variable. Okay, it's a simple variable. Now, what I need to pass here? I want to pass here results. I want to pass here results. So now, write it down. System dot debug. System dot debug. Okay, system dot debug. So how we can able to write exactly here? Now, normally how we can able to write here? Show me the result, and we can able to pass the AR, right? So for this aggregate results, if I want to print, so how can I able to write the directly? So it's having different syntax to print the value, guys. So how we can able to write first AR dot get. I'm getting from the AR where, because in the AR what I'm getting these are all the data. These are all the data I'm storing where in the AR variable. So in this case, I'm getting what I'm getting, what I need to get exactly here from the AR. I want to get industry. Industry. I want to get industry from the AR. From the AR variable. Okay. Plus. Okay. Now So this is simple. Just I am putting the arrow to understand. Okay. Again, AR dot get what I'm getting here. What I need to do here? X Pro. X Pro. EXPR 0. So what's it? Does it mean exactly? Like I'm doing aggregate function here. I want to get a count. I can't able to do a debug directly because I should have to use the Expo 0. Expo 0 in the sense it will give a properly count to us. If I run this one, let's check it will give or not. Aggregate, execute it, debug only. Okay. So it will give the value 1. So see here, 1, 2 means I'm having overall 5 records. Communication, I'm having overall 5 records. Construction, 2 records. Energy, 3 records. And apparel, 2 records. And chemicals, 6 records. And hospitality, 1 record. Let's check chemicals. How many records it's showing to us? Chemicals, 5 records, right? If I'm using the expo, right, it will show the exactly count of the record. Execute. Okay, 5 record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So practice this one. Okay, from till aggregate. Tomorrow we can do little bit more. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.